Do you struggle with making both sides of a face or a butterfly look exactly the same? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Symmetry tool in Procreate to draw things in half the time. It's like having a mirror built right into your iPad. First, let's set it up. Go to the Actions menu, turn on Drawing Guide, and then tap Edit Drawing Guide. Select Symmetry here at the bottom. By default, it's set to vertical, which is perfect for our butterfly. Now, whatever I draw on the left, Procreate magically mirrors on the right. And here's a little pro tip. If you want to use a new layer for your colors, make sure to tap that new layer and select Drawing Assist. If you don't turn that on, the symmetry won't work on the new layer. Always look for that assisted label on your layer. Now, I love using this for intricate patterns, for instance. You can even go back to the settings and switch to Radial Symmetry, which is actually great for drawing mandalas in 8 directions at the same time. It feels like magic and it saves so much time. And there we go, perfect symmetry every single time. If you want more step-by-step exclusive tutorials, come and join me at Patreon. I have lots of other drawing projects waiting for you there, and the link is right in the description below. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Procreate drawing tutorials. Happy drawing!